Even you are hackable. Facebook's Twitter and Instagram accounts hacked, trolled with cybersecurity services offer. In a highly unusual form of guerrilla marketing, hackers have breached the official Twitter and Instagram accounts of Facebook and its Messenger app, advertising their cybersecurity services in a number of posts. Twitter confirmed the hacks on Friday, with a spokesperson noting the company had locked the compromised accounts and is now working closely with our partners at Facebook to restore them. The incident follows a series of hiccups on the platform, which caused widespread outages. The hackers made trollish posts to each of the breached accounts, stating, "Hi, we are OURMINE. Well, even Facebook is hackable, but at least their security is better than Twitter." Twitter is no stranger to high-profile hacks, with their own CEO Jack Dorsey's handle compromised last August by pranksters who briefly sent out a series of racial slurs and nonsensical posts to his 4 million followers. More than 10,000 Twitter users experienced outages earlier on Friday, with a company representative stating the ability to tweet was temporarily broken, prompting a wave of conspiracy theories from netizens suspicious about the timing of the glitch. The hacking group OURMINE posted on the Twitter and Instagram accounts for Facebook and Messenger, writing even Facebook is hackable. The accounts have now been restored. OURMINE claims its attacks are an attempt to show cyber vulnerabilities. In January, it hijacked over a dozen accounts for teams in the U.S. National Football League. The group posted a statement on Facebook's Twitter account. "Hi, we are OURMINE. Well, even Facebook is hackable, but at least their security is better than Twitter." It also hijacked the Facebook and Messenger accounts on Instagram to post a photo of OURMINE's logo. Facebook's own website was not hacked. Twitter confirmed that the hacking occurred via a third party and that accounts were locked once it was alerted to the issue. "As soon as we were made aware of the issue, we locked the compromised accounts and are working closely with our partners at Facebook to restore them," Twitter said in a statement. The attack on Facebook seems to have followed a similar hack on teams in the National Football League. The accounts appear to have been accessed via the third-party platform Khoros. Khoros is a marketing platform that businesses can use to manage their social media communications. Typically, these platforms manage or have access to the passwords and login details of their customers. Khoros did not respond to a BBC request for comment. OURMINE is a Dubai-based hacking group that attacked the accounts of corporations and high-profile individuals in the past. In the past, it has temporarily infiltrated the social media account of Twitter's founder Jack Dorsey, Google's chief executive Sundar Pichai, and the corporate accounts of Netflix and ESPN. The group claims its attacks are designed to show a lack of security. But it also instructs victims to use its services to improve safeguards.